Hi everybody, this is Toby from computersandonline.wordpress.com. I'm going to show you quickly how to replace a hard drive. It's pretty simple actually. So I already took the side panel out. It's got 2 screws right there. Basically you only need a screwdriver just ever working on computers and stuff like that. But make sure you got the computer unplugged for 5 minutes before you're doing this, because computers store power. It's actually pretty simple to replace a hard drive in a computer. Basically, you follow the power cord over to your hard drive. This is my hard drive right here, and you pull the power cord out. This right here is the data cord. So you actually pop that, it's the data ribbon, pop that out. Now all the cords of these are actually free, and there's 2 screws on the side. You take the 2 screws out right here. If you want, I'll actually show you them here quick. This one you actually have to pull the whole compartment apart. Right here, you take that 1 screw out and this whole thing slides right out. Now if you look right here, there's 2 screws. You unscrew these 2 screws, this thing slides right out. And you can put another one in, then screw it right back in the same spot. Slide it back down. Put the screws back in there, so don't jostle around. You want to make sure it don't jostle around and stuff. And put your ribbon back. Make sure your ribbon's in there, nice and tight, nice and straight. And then put your power back on. There you go. That's replacing a hard drive on a desktop. Thanks for watching my video, and check me out at computersandonline.wordpress.com.